Meaning of ducting.
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 Ducting. Ducting refers to the process by which air or other substances are transported through a duct or channel, usually for the purposes of heating, cooling, or ventilation. The result of ducting can be improved indoor air quality, increased comfort and energy efficiency, as well as reduced noise levels. Properly designed ducting systems can help to evenly distribute air throughout a building, resulting in more consistent temperatures and better overall performance. However, poorly designed or maintained ducting systems can lead to problems such as leakage, reduced efficiency, and increased costs.